fetch up in the barrier, fetch up solid. Ross is making sure everybody is ready to go. Got the thumbs up. Everybody's got their helmets on, and away we go. Green flag is out. First heat of the 6-cylinder class. All right. Oh, right in. Pretty good little fetch ups out there. 25 doing a fair amount of hitting. Number 100. They're crunching pretty good. All right. Oh, the shark got no one. I wondered if he was done. Oh, there's a good hit. Oh, that was a massive hit.
That messed up his car.
Holding that up like an accordion. He's still rolling. I think that might have put him out. What number was that? Oh! We are in a major pileup. Yeah. Oh! All right, everybody, we're watching the cars. See how many's still rolling. I think number 51 is done. I thought he was done before. He is out. We've got 2 vehicles, 3 that are still moving. Nope. Nope. All right, number 25 still rolling. Okay, everybody, this is something else, trying to keep track of all the action. We got 3 that are still moving, and they're still viable candidates. 25, 21, John McDonald, Fraser Hood, and our last one is, you don't know the guy's number. All right, we still got 3 guys rolling. All right, we got 147, number 21, 25. Those are who's rolling. Oh, wait a minute. Is 147? He hasn't moved in a bit. We're going to count him out. Let's just see.
I know.
Man, they're hitting hard. We still got 3 candidates. 147. He's trying his best. He's not moving very far. Massive hit. They might take themselves out in that hit.
It's 21. He's talking about.
Wait a minute. Let's just see. Can you get her going? If you can't get her started, we got 2 left. He's desperately trying. That's it. Number 25. Look at this guy. Come on, let's hear some action out there, buddy. These guys have spent a lot of time and effort. Show them you appreciate the show. And there's your green flag for your second heat of 6 cylinders. Oh, that was a good crunch.
Not very good, is it?
Oh, there was a good hit. Oh, there's another good hit. Number 20's going around. He's looking for someone to smack onto. Wicked hit from 58 on 44. And a little side swipe action.
Working good now.
Oh, we got a star happening. Are they going to connect all? There's one. There's another. Keep pushing him. There. Up over the barrier. If 44 can't get off that barrier, he's done. He's going to try, though. I smell lots of brakes. Number 20. Oh, good hit. Massive hit on the 710 car. Number 58 is relentless. Oh, Peter. All right, we've had to make a stop there. Number 20 has been disqualified for that direct door hit on number 58. All right, everybody, put your hands together. If there's somebody there that you know, you want to cheer them on. They're here for all the money. And there begins your 6-cylinder final feature. This is for the money. Oh, good hit. And big crunch.
Look at its back. Oh, it's still going.
I don't know what it is, but right there that they like to. Down this back. There we go. Okay, that was a good stop, everybody. We're going to let our fire services make sure everything's A-okay. All right, we are green. We're under green flag. We're under a green flag.
Yeah.
Mark, you... All right, guy up on the barrier's been told to shut down. Okay, we got a lot of movement happening out there. Let's see who's running. Number 20, Ian Dewey, he's still got a decent looking front end. Number 58 is also Mike Lake. Number 710 still running, Evan Bozier. Oh, that 20 car took a front end hit there. I can only see 3 moving. Looks like number 20, 710. And 58. They look like the only ones that are moving to me. We'll watch and see who is the money round. Oh, looks like number 20. He's got a clock on him. He's got to be able to hit somebody. Hit or be hit. He soon got to hit somebody. Oh, there was a fetch up. Okay, number 20 and 58 still moving. 710's in it. Looks like that's your 3. Just what order are we going to have it in? 710 still moving. 58, is he got to move? Number 20 looks like he's done. We got to wait and see. 710's just waiting for someone to hit. 58's saying, I want some more. They're like a bunch of two boxers that have gone 15 rounds. They're tired. 710, you got to take him out. You got to put it in. Number 20 has been put down there, so he's through. Then a ring around the rosy. 58's come back to life. He's not done yet. Oh, there's a good hit on. That could end it right there. No, sir. 710's doing a little run in there. 58's coming at him. That's Mike Lake in that 58 car. Evan Mosers is in the 710. They're doing the dance. Here they come, around the circle. Oh, nice hit.
Did he lose his tire over that?
Oh, did that do him in? Let's see if he did it.
No.
I think he's done for. That's it.